Hey Cody, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope we got the correct email. The reason we contacted your company was due to the fact that we've noticed there is a high search volume for the services that you offer. This is a great opportunity to optimize your website and bring in more traffic. In this video, I'll show you why your competitors are being found instead of your company. This way you'll have a better understanding how to optimize your website so you could gain that traffic, steal that traffic for your business. In this video, I'll be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work or traffic, I should say. The categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Cody, looks like this is your website here. It's a great website. All the links are working fine. I don't see anything broken. You do have quite a few content here. Overall, great. The navigation is fairly simple. I think there is oh, no, there's no clickable phone number here, making it easier for your end user to contact you. But I do see a contact form here. You do have quite a few number of pages. Overall, a great website. However, if you're trying to optimize your web page, you're going to need more content or more of a specific category type of content, and I'll explain. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert, of course, inside of Google. Believe it or not, Cody, there are Google spiders that will sniff out all the keywords inside the HTML code behind your website. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, pest control. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. I'm sure you get the idea. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's jump into Rebels here. This is a paid tool, of course. This is a great platform to have to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. So currently you have 95 keywords, and on a monthly basis you get around 3 people jumping onto your website organically. You could do way better. Referring domains 94, backlinks 246. The DR and the UR meter 17 and 16. The UR and the DR rating is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these two ratings are through backlinks and citations. So a backlink is just a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. So I'm sure you've seen where you'll jump onto a website and in a paragraph there is like a specific text, clickable text, I should say. You click on it, it'll take you directly, it would refer you to a different website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. Just be careful when you get a backlink. Not all are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services that you offer, that can actually hurt your website. So just be careful on that. For a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, or phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR rating at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. You're almost there, but this is good still. It'll give you a better boost. It would give you a more of a preference when Google compares your site to another site. So just keep that in mind. Looking at your history here, back in, let's see, around 2016, December, you were up 146 people were jumping onto your website organically. But looks like there was an update here that kind of brought down your rankings. But yeah, you're not able to go back up. However, comparing to one of your competitors, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. You can see they have more content. You have more content here. They have optimized websites, interlinking, which is a good SEO practice. More content here. You get the idea. Behind the scenes, they currently have 170 referring domains, backlinks over 1,000, the DR 2.9, the UR 15, but they do have a lot of keywords going for them, over 2,000. In a monthly basis, they're getting around 1,000 people jumping onto their website. So this is a good place to be, right? You currently have 3 people jumping into your website, going up and down. 19 back in March. Let's see, what's this little 19 back in September. So you can do better. This is a great place to be, right? Looking at their keywords, looks like, let's see, let's get you a better understanding. So for this keyword here, around 400 people are placing this keyword inside of Google in search of the services that you offer. So just imagine these 400 people are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, pretty much the whole point of optimizing your website with, relevant backlinks and citations, good quality content, good keywords, those buyer intent keywords, just like this one here, pest control, Mesa, Arizona. Let's just go for another one here. And just remember the H1 tags. You should insert good keyword on there too. Pest control Mesa, 200 people. Mesa, pest control, another 200. So these 3 are good keywords to have on your website. Okay. So this is what I have for you, Cody. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. If you're currently at a position where you cannot take in more work, let me know. That way I won't continue sending you annoying follow-up emails. If you're not interested, no harm, no foul. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.